Hi guys, I'm Varun and I'm here to talk about an accessory that is an absolute must-have in every kitchen. I'm talking about these collapsible strainers from Meyer. A strainer that folds into almost half of its size to store in like narrow spaces or shallow drawers. It comes in two shapes and sizes, the smaller circular ones and the larger rectangular ones that also come with these extendable side handles to fit over any sink in your kitchen. Let me show you how you can use these particular products. Simply pop open the colander and strain anything that you have cooked, be it rice, boiled vegetables, etc. For washing your vegetables or fruits, extend the side handles and place the basket over the sink. Place all your fruits or vegetables inside the basket and wash them under running water. Once you are done, push in the side handles and compress the basket to make it compact for easy storage.